I go down. I use my foot. I just don't let my foot there up and I do something else and it stays. I activate and I give a direction. It needs to go somewhere. And then with the head, with the arm, I look there. I twist, I turn. Pelvis up. Think everything in the same time. Everything. Don't forget something, yes?